Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can browse Incognito on Brave browser using your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So by searching Incognito, you'll be able to avoid your search history from being collected and stored by Brave browser. To do this, first open your Brave browser and then head over to these three dots that are below here. If you just proceed and search normally, then your browsing data will be stored. However, to search Incognito, tap on these three dots down here and go to New Private tab. You can see it has a symbol of two eyes here, or shades. If you tap on it, now you'll be able to search Incognito. So because of security reasons, this page can't be displayed to you. However, this page will have a search bar on top around here. And now to exit, just tap on New tab here and you'll have exited Incognito mode on your smartphone using your Brave browser. So that's how you can search Incognito mode on Brave browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.